answer this question, it's important to know how Botox works. So when a cell gives a signal via nerve to stimulate a muscle, it releases neurotransmitters and stimulates the muscle to work. It releases acetylcholine. The way that Botox works is that it binds irreversibly to the receptors on the muscle side. And by binding the muscle, it prevents the action of the muscle. Depending on the dosage of the Botox injected, how many areas your Botox ideally should work approximately 3 to 4 months. There are some formulations that have different binding molecules, which may make the Botox work a little bit longer or less long. But ideally, if you get the correct dose, you would like to aim for 3 to 4 months.